Hey, what's going on, everybody? I just got back from driving I don't even know, like 10 hours. And I decided I want to finish the PCV system on the STI. So, spent some time figuring out where I want to mount this. I figured that was the best spot for it. Lo and behold, they do make a catch can for this car. The JDM Cusco makes a very nice one, probably the best I've seen yet. And guess where they mount it? They mount it right here. So it bolts to this hole here and just kind of stays there at their bracket. And I made this thinking it was the best location without knowing that. Because that night, Tyler with the GTR, who comes around, he was sending me catch cans, and we ended up looking for one on eBay. Or Right Hand Drive Japan, I can't remember which one. But either way, it's Cusco, it's beautiful. So I mounted mine here. I just got the last fittings, so I got two right angle and a straight. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut this about right here, have a right angle come out, run the line. I'm gonna turn this, run the line, and hopefully everything looks good. So let me get to it. All right, everybody, I'm gonna show you what I did here. So as always, when you modify your vehicle, you always wanna make sure what you're doing is reversible. So what I did is I got a 1/2 inch male connector, male barb. So if anything was wrong with my setup, I could literally just hook up my PCV hose as normal and call it a day, and this thing fits in there perfectly. So it would literally just need this. I would zip tie it myself just to make sure, but as the saying goes, make sure whatever you do is reversible. So that's what I did first thing. So I have that piece forever whenever I want to revert this back to 100% stock. So it is now hooked up. I use some zip ties here. As you can see, I think I'm gonna run to Princess Auto and get some clamps for these ends. They are tight enough, but I just wanna make sure that they're, extra tight. And yeah, she's pretty much done with everything hooked up to this guy. It is solid, like I'm moving the car when I do that. So what I did is I just drilled a hole into the battery tie down, and I bolted the catch can bracket to the battery tie down, and it basically sits exactly where the Cusco one sits. So this was like 40 bucks or something in China, I think, and I'm assuming. And it has, a really nice, some friends told me about this one, and it's the second one I purchased, and it's actually the only time I've ever been able to put it to use. And I just sold it with my last car. I think it was the Gloria that I bought this for. Oh no, I did hook it up. Never mind, I did hook it up. But anyway, so here it is again. It is baffled. It does have all the fancy stuff in it. So it's baffled. It also has that brass filter in there for the in. So this is, in, this is out. And it has the filter going out back into the intake. So it'll be, I'm sure it'll do the job just fine. If not, I'll be buying the Cusco one because I honestly didn't even know they existed for this car. After some investigation, obviously we found it out. So, one more time, that's what it looks like. It's actually really clean. I just got some heater hose. Some heater hose is oil resistant, some isn't. But this is oil vapor, it's not oil. So, I'm gonna see how it turns out. If it doesn't turn out, I'm gonna have to get some of that clear, like PCV stuff, which I don't like the look of because you see your oil vapor and it's just gross colored. So, I'm gonna hope that this does the trick, and my throttle cable is actually supported more. One's coming over, one's going under, and it should clear perfectly fine. And after this, and making sure this is all hooked up nice, I'm going to replace the blow-off valve hose because if you guys recall, it's hard as a rock. That'll be the last of the hoses, but it actually comes with a kit. So it comes with the intercooler, main coupler, the blow-off valve, and it comes with 90 going into the intercooler. So that's the plan for the STI. My back is sore from driving 10.5 hours or whatever it was today. So yeah, I just wanted to reach out to you guys because I know I didn't do a video. So this is a video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I hope you subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up. Obviously, I'm going to try and get some content out. If you haven't already, watch the new Mighty Car Mods. I may be a little late on it, but they are racing their beaters, the $2,000 car challenge or whatever. So that's what I'm doing while I'm finishing up. But I hope you guys have a great weekend ahead, and hopefully we get some stuff going on for these two cars. Coilovers are next for the Subarus. So all right, peace everybody.